Good day, people. Good day, people. I just want to show you something here. What I have, somebody called me. He just need help on his car. The problem is it's not starting. Sometimes when it starts, but sometimes it gives. Most of the time when it's morning, it doesn't start. Just give a click sound. He said last time they changed the starter, everything. They thought the problem is gonna solved, but this problem didn't solve. The problem is still the same. And I just want to show you what is happening here on this car. It's a Ford Figo, as you can see. Let me go to the bonnet to show you what is happening on this car. It's not starting. As you can see, yeah, let us come here. What they did on this car, there's some changes that they did. I do all the power check. As I notice here, they do some changes. They put a filter, the place where the battery is supposed to stay, as you can see, and that is the main problem. And you know where, guess what, where they put the battery? At the back. And let me show you where they put the battery. This is the positive wire from here to the back. Let me show you. Here's the battery. As you can see, the battery is at the back. They do their changes to make their car. You can see here is the positive. This is the negative. Where they mount their negative. As you can see, this is the negative. They put the F at the back. That is the main problem. Why? Because when the battery is too much far, it's need a proper connection so that you can manage to start your car. As you can see right now, the battery is very far, and their cable that they put, they are not strong cables. That is the issue that I notice here. Let me show you this type of this cable. And as you can see, this type of this cable they put, they are not quality enough. The ones that they connect radios. As you can see, this type of these cables that they use. As you can see, this type of these cables that they use. So they are very weak. So what I'm trying to do right now, I'm trying to make a change of this battery set, either to take this battery out and put it back to the original position. Then I have to make a plan for that filter to put it in other location. That is the only way solution. Or the second option, to look for the strong cables from here, strong cables, original ones from here to the back, and strong also earth from here and to the front to solve the problem. As you can see, let me show you something. As you can see, this is the issue. And what they did, they put this filter where the place the battery sits. Of course, they were trying to make it, but it was another problem. So now what I'm thinking, I have to make a way to change this filter, to put this filter somewhere else. I'm thinking to put even down there or somewhere else where it can locate. That is the other way, the main way. That is the best. As you can see, this is the positive from here to the back. And when we I calculate, it's like about from here to there, it's like about how many meters? It's like about 3 to 4 meters that they use. 4 meters that they use from here to back. So of which it's a big problem, because every meter counts. The voltage, it counts. So by the time where the voltage go longer, it becomes weak. So that is the issue. Their cables, they are too long also. And also the thing is, it's what I'm planning to do right now. Because I do all the tests. Voltage is fine, but when you try to start, the amps, they are very low because of these connections. Please, if you helpful on this video, please subscribe and comment, like. I'll show you the next video on the next video, the changes that I'm not going to do, so that you see the performance. Thank you.